looks like you might need a hand.
Oh, it does this from every time to time, you know.
Mind if I take a crack and
Be my guest.
see what's going on with your engine? All right, what we have here. Got an engine here. It does not work. When was the last time you had an oil change?
I don't know, a couple years.
Yeah, well, it's bone dry.
Is that bad?
It's definitely not a good start. Let me give you my number, but only on one condition.
What's that?
You got to send me a text when you get home, so that I know that you made it safe. I mean, otherwise, I'm going to be out here worrying that I left my new friend stranded.